Oh, we're mud bogging. All right, YouTube, welcome back to the Nasty Nate channel. What's up today? Right now, we got a Turbo 1000 RZR. It's Jared's.
It's bad.
Bad to the bone. And we got an easy go golf cart thing with no governor.
That's leaning.
We're mud bogging.
What do you do with that?
We have jumper cables for.
They're there.
Oh.
I was very lucky.
So we're getting in the mud right now. Stay tuned. All right, throw down in the comments if you think this mud on my face is from the RZR or the golf cart. And let's get to it. Too much traction. Those boggers hook up. Yeah! It might be muddy. Dude, I don't even know what I look like, but and the lens is covered. No, it's gonna make a great video. I think they're gonna race. So the golf cart has like bald ass tires, and it's like gets stuck everywhere, obviously, but it is hilarious. All right, let's try to get this thing out. Trying to go forward. Hold on. Yeah, it worked. It kind of worked. Hell yeah. That thing is insane. Makes like 200 horsepower and weighs nothing. That is absolutely hilarious. Oh, it's burning out! The ruts are too big! We need bigger tires. Damn it! Oh my God. Yeah, that's about enough mud. What do you think about the mud, Garrett? I love it. He said he loves it. Not the golf cart. Oh yeah. And she's off. Yee! Oh, let me see that windshield. And you don't want to scratch it either. Oh my God. Yeah, that's custom. I think that's enough mud.
Yeah.
What do you think about it?
I don't like it. Hey,
Garrett likes it, he doesn't.
Let's go down there and get a video at the bottom.
Oh God. It might throw some mud. God. Dude, that's sweet. I think I need to ride in it. Oh God.
Dude, this thing is getting brown.
How the hell do you open this? All right, boys, here we go. Hell no! Is this two-wheel drive? Savage. Push you. Oh God! Oh shit! Splattered! Hell no! Oh my! Yes! Oh my God!
Nathan, I don't think you can see on your GoPro, dude. I am sorry.
That was bound to happen.
Nathan, I'm sorry, bud.
I don't care. It's funny. Oh God! Oh, you got it. All right, he's about to go down to the bottom of the hill by the railroad tracks and see if he can come up. I think he's in two-wheel drive the whole time too, so we'll see what happens. Make sure we're all clean here. Oh, we're golden. Can't even see. Getting sprayed. He made it though. Well, huge shout out to Jared for driving his RZR, mud bogging, getting me a little muddy, but that's gonna end the mud bogs today on the Nasty Nate channel. That's a little much right there.
It was clean.
Oh God. All right guys, that's all for today. Make sure you subscribe to Nasty Nate and stay tuned for a lot more of craziness.